Are you on the hunt for a powerful natural remedy that can address everything from skincare to health issues? Castor oil might be what you're missing. It's an underrated oil loaded with amazing benefits, whether you're interested in beauty, wellness, or even practical household applications. In today's video, we're unveiling 7 uses of castor oil you should know about. So, if you're ready to explore what castor oil can do for you, then let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 7 is castor oil as nature's moisturizer. Castor oil is nature's moisturizer thanks to its high content of ricinoleic acid. This special fatty acid gives castor oil its power to hydrate and nourish your skin deeply. Unlike many store-bought moisturizers, castor oil is free from harsh chemicals and additives. This makes it a gentler choice, especially for those with sensitive skin. But how does castor oil work its magic? When you apply it to your skin, it doesn't just sit on the surface. Castor oil has a unique ability to penetrate deep into your skin layers. This means it can provide long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin soft and supple throughout the day. One of the best things about castor oil is how easy it is to use. You don't need a complicated skincare routine to enjoy its benefits. You can mix 2 to 3 drops of castor oil with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Gently massage this mixture onto your face before bed. Castor oil doesn't just moisturize, it also helps your skin look younger. As it hydrates, it plumps up your skin, which can make fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. So, if you're worried about oily skin or clogged pores, don't be. Even though castor oil is, well, an oil, it won't make your skin greasy. In fact, it can help balance your skin's natural oil production. This means it can be great for all skin types, from dry to oily and everything in between. Next at number 6, we have castor oil to help soothe inflamed skin. Castor oil is a powerful skin soother. It has high ricinoleic acid content and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce redness and swelling in your skin, providing relief from various irritations. When you apply castor oil to your skin, it forms a protective barrier. This barrier does 2 important things. First, it keeps harmful microbes and dust particles away from your skin. Second, it helps your skin retain moisture, which is crucial for healing. Castor oil can help with many types of skin problems, such as sunburn or rash. But to avoid the irritating effects of castor oil, you'll need to dilute it with another carrier oil before gently applying it to the affected area. You can also soak a cotton ball in the oil and place it on the irritated spot for a while. But before you start, there's an important step you shouldn't skip. Always do a patch test first. This means applying a small amount of the oil to a small area of your skin and waiting to see if there's any reaction. This is especially important if you have sensitive skin or allergies. While castor oil is generally safe, it's not for everyone. Some people might have a reaction to it. If you notice any increased redness, itching, or discomfort, stop using it right away. And remember, while castor oil can help with many skin issues, it's not a substitute for medical treatment for serious conditions. Next at number 5 is castor oil for joint pain relief. Joint pain can be a real bother, making everyday tasks a challenge. But here's some good news. Castor oil might be able to help. Many people have found relief from joint pain using this natural remedy due to ricinoleic acid. It's especially popular for conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and stiffness. When you apply castor oil to your skin, it can penetrate deep into the tissues. This means it can deliver its soothing effects right where you need them most. But don't just slap some castor oil on your sore joints and call it a day. For the best results, try making a warm castor oil pack. Here's how. First, soak a piece of clean cotton cloth in castor oil. Then, place it over the painful joint. Wrap it with plastic wrap to keep it in place. Finally, put a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. Leave it there for at least 45 minutes. The heat from the pack helps your skin absorb the castor oil better. This means the oil can reach deeper into your tissues, providing more relief. Plus, the warmth itself can help ease pain and stiffness. However, while many people find relief with castor oil, it's not a cure-all. If you have severe joint pain or a serious condition, don't rely on castor oil alone. Always talk to your doctor about the best treatment for you. At number 4, we have castor oil as a hair growth booster. Castor oil is also a powerful tool for boosting hair growth. This versatile oil has a special ability to improve blood flow in your scalp. When more blood reaches your hair follicles, they get more nutrients. This can help your hair grow faster and healthier, but not all castor oil is the same. Jamaican black castor oil is especially good for hair care. It's made by roasting and grinding castor seeds, which gives it more ash. This makes it even better at helping your hair grow. Here are the steps to apply castor oil on your hair. First, warm up a small amount of oil in your hands. Then, use your fingertips to gently massage it into your scalp. Make sure to spread it evenly all over. For best results, leave the oil on for at least 15 minutes. After you apply the oil, cover your hair with a plastic shower cap. This helps keep the oil in place and lets it soak into your scalp better. When you're done, wash your hair with shampoo to remove all the oil. Many people who use castor oil regularly say they see less hair loss and their hair feels thicker and softer. A study from the International Journal of Trichology highlighted that using castor oil on your roots may increase hair growth, reduce damage from styling products, and make your hair shinier and fuller. If you find castor oil too thick to use on its own, try mixing it with lighter oils like jojoba or coconut oil. This can make it easier to apply and wash out. Keep in mind that everyone's hair is different. What works for one person might not work for another. It's a good idea to start slow and see how your hair responds. If you notice any irritation or discomfort, stop using the oil. It's also crucial to consult with a doctor or hair specialist before using castor oil, especially if you're dealing with specific scalp or hair conditions. Next up at number 3 is castor oil as an FDA-approved natural laxative. Castor oil is a powerful laxative. In fact, the FDA has given it their stamp of approval for this use. This means it's safe and effective for helping with constipation when used correctly. Because of its ricinoleic acid content, it can work as a natural cure for passing stool easily. When you drink castor oil, it gets to work in your intestines. It makes the muscles in your gut move more, which helps push waste through your system faster. Using castor oil as a laxative is pretty simple, but it's important to do it right. Most people take 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil by mouth. You can mix it with warm water, warm milk, or orange juice to make it taste better. But remember, a little goes a long way. You shouldn't use castor oil as a laxative for more than a week at a time. And while castor oil can be helpful, it's not for everyone. Some people might experience side effects like stomach cramps, diarrhea, or feeling sick. That's why it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before you start using castor oil as a laxative. They can help you decide if it's the right choice for you. When you're buying castor oil to use as a laxative, make sure it's food grade and 100% pure cold pressed. This means it's safe to eat and hasn't been mixed with anything else. It's also important to be careful not to take too much castor oil. Using too much can lead to serious problems and might even require medical help. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is castor oil for immune system support. Castor oil can also help your body fight off germs and stay healthy. This special oil can support your immune system in a unique way. It helps your body move fluids around better, which is important for keeping you healthy. Now, let's talk about how castor oil does this. Inside your body, there's a system called the lymphatic system. It's like a network of pipes that helps remove waste and fight off bad germs. Castor oil can help the system work better. When you put castor oil on your skin, it can help your lymphatic system move fluids around more easily. This means your body can get rid of waste faster and fight germs better. One great way to use castor oil for your immune system is with a castor oil pack. Here's how you can make one. First, soak a clean piece of cloth in castor oil. Then, put the cloth on your belly. Cover it with plastic wrap to keep it in place. Finally, put a warm water bottle or heating pad on top. Leave it there for about 45 minutes. Think of castor oil as a helper for your immune system, not a replacement for healthy habits. You still need to eat healthy food, exercise, and get enough sleep to stay healthy. It's also important to talk to your doctor before you start using castor oil packs. While they're safe for most people, they might not be right for everyone. Finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is castor oil as a dental aid. If you wear dentures, you know how important it is to keep them clean. Castor oil can help fight off bad germs and fungi that like to grow on dentures. These tiny troublemakers can cause infections and make your mouth sore. But castor oil can help keep them away. Using castor oil to clean your dentures is simple and safe. It's a natural choice that doesn't have the harsh chemicals often found in store-bought cleaners. This means it's gentler on your dentures and your mouth. Here's how you can use castor oil for your dentures. First, put a few drops of castor oil on a clean cloth. Then, gently wipe your dentures with the cloth. Make sure you clean all the surfaces. After cleaning, you can store your dentures in a container with a little bit of castor oil. This keeps them moist and helps stop germs from growing. The special thing about castor oil is its ability to fight fungi. One type of fungus that often grows on dentures is called candida. This can cause infections and make your mouth feel uncomfortable. Castor oil can help stop candida from growing and might help prevent mouth sores. The oil's natural properties can soothe your gums and help keep your mouth healthy. And there you have it, the 7 uses of castor oil you should know about. While castor oil shows promise in many areas, it's important to remember that it's not a cure-all. Always consult with your healthcare provider before adding castor oil to your health routine, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Also, remember that castor oil may work differently for each person. What benefits one individual might not have the same effect on another. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest health tips. Have you tried any of these castor oil uses? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please consider showing your support with a super thanks or checking out our merchandise for some fantastic finds. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content to improve your health and wellness. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.